What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nirenstein, and this is Vehicle Virgins. Isaac just rolled up in his awesome frozen white E92 M3. I have always had a soft spot for the E92. It was my dream car in high school. I had a 2006 E90 330, and of course, this is the ultimate version of that. Got some cool upgrades too. Nice carbon rear diffuser there. Love the black wheels. Can't believe this is actually a factory color. That's crazy. So apparently the Frozen White Edition M3s were a $15,000 option for this paint. We've got some customizations like the white stitching to differentiate it from a normal M3, but God, that is sick. Wow, I really like the stitching. This kind of goes through the carbon fiber. That's crazy. That's something the new M cars don't have. Listen to that sound. Listen to those pops. Oh my God. I was just about to tell you guys where we were going, and literally a Miura just passed by. I've never seen a Miura on the freeway before. That was freaking awesome. So we were going back to Beverly Hills. I was there earlier today. That was yesterday's video. But apparently they are lifting the Mclaren Senna off the second story of the Beverly Wilshire Hotel with a crane. So I figured, when's the next time I'm gonna see $1 million car being carried by a crane over the road? Probably never. So I gotta show it to you guys. Oh my God, 2 Priuses at once! Just made these pretty dope new keychains. If you want one, I've got a link in the description below. It is hilarious, especially if you live in California, driving by Priuses and snapping photos with these things. Link in description. The Sentra SER, yeah, baby. Well, the Koenigsegg left, but we still got some sweet whips out front. But the real one we're looking for is up there. See, this is way better. A few hours ago when I came here, it was packed with people. Then when they're about to crane it down, which is way cooler anyways, nobody is here. Let's take a closer look at the Senna. Obviously very polarizing in its style, but in person it just looks so much better than in pictures. This active wing. Look at that exhaust setup too. Massive rear diffuser. Look how cool that is with a clear door. Oh my gosh. We've got the ignition up on the roof as well as the door switch. That is awesome. Check this out, I didn't know, but the center console with the park, neutral, reverse, and your launch control moves along with the seat. So somewhere down here, a crane is about to pull up and lift the Senna over this sign, well, they'll probably move the sign, and down onto the road to load it up. At first when I saw pictures of this on Instagram, I'm like, why do they need a crane to bring it to Rodeo Drive? But they wanted to do a private little event up on the rooftop, which I think was a good call. And it gives us some epic content of this thing in the air. See, and then they have a driving simulator here for people like me who can't afford a Senna. Good thinking. That thing was kind of fun. Look at the size of the front splitter on this thing. I mean, you could actually eat dinner on this, and that's part of the reason why the downforce has been significantly improved in the order of 55% over the P1. And then of course we have this massive rear wing, which in total with the rear diffuser and front splitter and all of the aerodynamics on the body lead to over 1,700 pounds of downforce at 155 miles an hour. For reference, the P1, which was the ultimate McLaren multi-million-dollar hypercar, only produces 1,300 pounds of downforce. That's a crazy improvement. Check this out, guys. Came around the corner to explore and stumbled upon this McLaren Senna model. Not positive on the scale, but this thing is actually massive. I mean, look at it compared to me for reference. But that thing is worth more than most people's cars, but the realism is nuts. Just look at the brakes on this thing. Looks like we've got the official Senna charger from the Geneva Motor Show. They're starting to block off the road here so that they can bring the crane up. The anticipation's killing me. Don next to another Don. Well, there you go, guys. If you're wondering about the trunk space on the Senna, that's it right there. We've got the trickle charger slot, we got some fluid for the windshield wipers, and yeah, that's about it. So they are about to start the Senna to load it up onto the crane. I've actually never heard one of these in person before, and I don't think there's too many videos out there of a Senna actually doing a cold start. Can't wait to see what this thing sounds like, especially out of that triple exhaust system. All right, there is the crane pulling up right now. Look at that, randomly, there's Avi in his NSX. See, I'm curious how insurance works on a crane like this, considering the priceless payload. Feel. Brilliant. All right, well, the Senna is on and the crane is here. I can't wait to see what this is about to look like. Looks like we got the front lift up. Look how much clearance that has compared to before. Look at this vlog life going on right now. Check out that G-Wagon with Dubai plates, courtesy of Adam Bornstein. Oh yeah. Look at that, he's flooring the gas to lift the crane. That's sick. Why doesn't my car have that option? There we go, the crane is poking its head above the second story. The rest of this is gonna be interesting. All right, so the plan is to attach the wrecking ball to the wing and then lift from there. Wow, that is up there. Yeah, this is far too extra right here. Yeezy photo shoot with the Senna. Here we go, they've almost got everything set up. They're basically carrying this thing in a cage. There is the top of it, and then on the bottom, they've got 2 bars underneath each set of wheels that they're attaching with straps. Here we go, gently lowering it. Imagine the stress that the crane operator is going through right now. He can't even see the actual car. He's got his friend over here on the radio. Whew. All the time I say things like, I've never experienced anything like this, but I definitely have never experienced anything like this. This is the part where you double check the straps 10 different times. This guy's got some talent down there. He's doing this all blind. I am so excited for this. We've been waiting for the better part of 2 hours, just staring at this McLaren, waiting for the moment that it lifts off the ground. Here we go. Oh my God, this is crazy. One last check to make sure it's tight. Oh my God, the rear wheels are in the air. Look at that. Oh, fully airborne. Wow. All right, so someone needs to just push it so it spins like a top. All right, here it goes. Oh my God. On the scale of 1 to Senna, this is pretty Senna. This is a Senna GTR right now.
Oh, there you go.
I don't think too many people have seen the underbody of the Senna before. Look at the ground effects under the front splitter. That's pretty cool. Look how much responsibility this guy has with that rope. Oh my God. Oh shit. Decided to come down to the bottom to see this from another vantage point. Look how ridiculous a McLaren Senna on a crane looks. These guys actually have so much to dodge right now. There's trees, there's buildings, there's this light pole. That is serious business. Look at that, a Senna in the air with a Rolls Royce on the ground. There it goes. Well guys, that is how you take a McLaren Senna off the roof of a building. I've never seen anything like that in my entire life. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Look how many people are standing around wondering what on earth is happening. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. Remember, we've got the dope new Prius keychains. Link in description below. That was ridiculous. Smash the thumbs up button. Look forward to seeing you next video.